guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 14 for the Beautymas series here on my YouTube channel. Today I thought I would be doing kind of another kind of viral TikTok kind of trend. So we're going to do the single layer makeup trend. So I think this was originally by Chloe Morello. If I'm wrong, please comment down below who the real content creator was who did this trend or started this trend. So let's get started. She says to start with concealer. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I only put it under my eyes, but for this video I'm just going to also do it in these blemish areas. So she said to do light colors first, so I'm going to move into foundation now. I'm going to take, let's see, like this brush to apply it. I'm going to use the Bdellium, I don't remember what this brush is. I'm just going to place it in dots all over the face. Then for bronzer, I'm actually going to use my finger to apply it. I'm only going to apply it kind of like up here. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream Blush in Nude Burn. I'm just going to kind of dot it here on the cheeks. And for highlight, I'm just going to do the same thing, kind of dot it there, dot there. Now we can blend everything in. Now I think I'm going to use this brush. This is the, you know what, actually, let's use a beauty blender first. Just to blend everything in. Okay, now I'm going to set everything. I'm going to set the face using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in Classic Ivory. Okay, off camera I'm going to also do my eyes and brows and the lips, and we'll be right back. Okay, now we have the entire look done. Now, this isn't one of my favorite viral TikTok techniques, but I get the idea behind it. It's, single layer makeup, it's really cool, but something that I would probably not do every day, I think. But it's still a really cool trend though. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for day 15. Bye!